What's up, guys? This is me, Luca. Over here. I'm just going to show you the basics, all the most important dunks there are, and tell you the name of them and what they are. Well, come on, let's get on with it. I'm just going to get the ball. A ball here. Yeah. Here we go. So this one is the leaning tomahawk. This one is called leaning tomahawk. This other one here is the sledgehammer. I missed it, but do it again. So I don't know if I missed it or not, but I'm just going to do it again. Yeah, I missed it one. Do it again, one more time. That was it. And going to do 360. Almost on. I'm just going to do 180 now. I think I missed it, so I'm just going to do it again. Now that went in. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you guys subscribe. Thanks. See you.